Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing the scene, clear the threshold, place floor protection, and set a jack or stand under the bottom of the door to bear weight. Once done, remove trim and the weather strip so you can access hinge fasteners. Use a marker to trace hinge location on the frame. That ensures reinstallation alignment. Loosen hinge bolts 1 or 2 turns first to relieve tension, and then back them out. Make sure a helper is steadying the door as you free the final fasteners. With the door fully supported, remove the remaining hinge bolts and set them aside in labeled bags so you won't mix sizes. Once bolts are out, wiggle the door slightly to unseat hinge pins. Then, with one person guiding top and another supporting bottom, tilt the door away from the frame and slide it free. If the door is stuck, use a pry bar gently at the hinge gap while maintaining upward support. After removal, inspect the frame and threshold for rust, warped screws, or obstructions that caused binding. Lift the door clear and place it on cushioned sawhorses, protecting glass and finish with blankets. If you're removing more than the door, like the frame, now take out frame screws or mullions in a sequence that prevents frame collapse, typically top first. Make sure to label parts for reassembly. If you encounter heavy binding during removal, stop and inspect hinge mortises. Uneven depth or missing shims often causes misalignment. Correct shim placement or deepen more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.